In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your screen black and white on your iPhone. The first thing we need to do is to open the settings application, and then you want to scroll down slightly until you find accessibility and click into that. Now you want to find display and text size and click into that, and then you want to scroll down until you find color filters and you want to click into that. Now you want to toggle color filters on, and then you want to make sure Greyscale has been enabled, as you can see. Now my screen has gone black and white / Greyscale, however the video recording doesn't pick this up, so we can go ahead and start using our iPhone just as we normally would. If you want to add the accessibility shortcut to your control center, you simply need to go into the control center by swiping down from the top right, and then you want to click on the plus button in the top left hand corner, and then click on add a control at the bottom of the screen. Now you want to scroll all the way to the bottom to the accessibility settings, and once you find the accessibility settings you want to keep scrolling down until you find vision accessibility, and then you want to click on the color filter option. This will now add it to your control center, and you can go ahead and place this option wherever you'd like. So now we've done this, you want to swipe up from the very bottom of your screen to get out of edit mode, and now when you select this color filter option, it's going to turn your iPhone screen black and white, and again the video recording doesn't pick it up, but my iPhone screen is now in black and white. And again I can go back to the control center and click on the option again, and it will restore it to full color. And that's it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments you can leave them below.